If you visited Greece, you probably returned home with some new food cravings. At least, this is what happened to me after trying the Greek dolmades. They're so fresh and delicious that I had to include them in our menu. Many other countries have similar recipes, but let's dive in the Greek version of this yummy-licious food. I'll start with the filling. I'm using minced meat, pork and veal, half and half. Also works fine with just one of them. And you can actually use any minced meat you like. If you're a vegetarian, skip the meat, keep the rest of the ingredients and just double the rice quantity. I'm sticking to the meat dolmades. Half a cup of round rice, washed and strained. 1 egg, 1 medium chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped green onions, 1 cup of chopped parsley, 1 cup of chopped dill, 1 cup of fresh mint. If you have dry mint, use just 1 tablespoon. The aromatics might seem a lot, but trust me, they are your secret weapon. Include the stems when you chop them. The juice from 1 lemon, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix well with your hands for about 1 minute and set aside. Add some olive oil in the pot you're planning to use. We're going to make the dolmades and place them one by one inside. Now let's talk about the grape vine leaves. You can buy them in jars or you can collect them yourself from a vineyard and then blanch them. I have bought them. Be careful when you extract them from the jar, they are fragile and might break. When you take them out, place them on a plate and add water. The water makes them a bit more flexible and you can extract one by one without damaging them. As a side note, vine leaves have so many uses in different cultures. Lightly crushed and applied to the forehead, they relieve headaches. Applied to burns, they help soothing the itching and speed up healing. Take them out and place them on a cutting board. Place it with the darkest side facing down. First thing you need to do is to cut the stem. Add about 1 tablespoon of the filling and start wrapping from the stem. Start with the 2 sides closer to the stem and then wrap the left and right side. Now roll till you get to the end. Should we wrap another one together? It's not that difficult, you just need to make sure the filling doesn't have any place to escape. Place them in the pot in circles, starting from the sides. Lay them with the leaf end facing down to prevent them from opening during cooking. The following is a very important step. Cook on medium heat with the lid on for a few minutes. This will help your dolmades keep their shape. Add 2 cups of hot water and place a plate that fits your pot on top of them to keep them in place. If you're not using meat for the filling, you can use stock instead of water. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 1 hour on low to medium heat. Meanwhile, prepare the ingredients for the delicious topping sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of flour with 1 cup of water. You can also use cornstarch. Set them aside and wait until the dolmades are ready. Time flies when it smells so good. 1 hour later, you can take out the plate. Be very careful with the steam. Take each dolma out with the tongs or just a regular spoon and place them on a serving platter. Leave the remaining reduced sauce on low heat. Add the lemon juice now, and before adding your thickening agent, whisk it again for the flour to be evenly distributed and then add it to the pot while using a whisker. The sauce is done in about 20 seconds or so. It's ready when it has thickened. Take a strainer and pour all of it on top of the dolmades for an extra layer of texture and punchy lemon flavor. Greeks always have them with Greek yogurt aside, so this mince is the best way to serve them. Καλή όρεξη!